Hello. Alright, let's test out how stable this scooter stand is. So this is a universal scooter stand for most 8-inch, 9-inch and 10-inch wheel electric scooter. This is only suitable for auto locking scooters, meaning scooters that once folded would lock directly right here at the folding hinge, without you having to, kind of play around or do a secondary lock on it. So, let's test it out. Okay, so I'm gonna push it left and right, and then why don't we pull it forward and backwards? All right, left and right, forward and backwards. Whoa, all right, very stable as far as I can tell. There you go.